More news coming in. Another top Lashkar commander on the radar of the NIA, the National Investigation Agency here. The hunt is on for Lashkar commander Farooq Ahmed. Farooq prepped overground terrorists in Kashmir. Farooq based in Pakistan, in touch with Jammu and Kashmir network. Jammu and Kashmir attack key plotter Farooq's house was razed down, is what we know. Getting in details of another person who's under the scanner of the investigating agencies. This is a top Lashkar commander on the radar of the NIA. Hunt is on for Lashkar commander Farooq Ahmed. Farooq trapped the overground terrorist in Kashmir, which means he was there actively involved in the Pahalgam attack in which he prepared these overground workers in Kashmir. Farooq is based out of Pakistan and is in touch with the Jammu and Kashmir network, is what we know. I'm going straight across to Kamaljeet for more details on that. Kamal, the same person, in fact, Farooq's house was razed down as well. What more do we know, Kamal, about this man?
Well, what we've been told is he's a resident of Kupwara. Now, there are a number of suspicions which are coming in. We've already said there are 3 Pakistani. There are obviously investigations being done. This is very preliminary. Because remember, the NIA is looking at evidence, but this is intelligence-based information coming in that this is a resident of Kupwara. His house was demolished earlier, 1990 to 2016. This is where he's been regularly going between India and Pakistan through the illegal route. And this is what we say is there is obviously the use of that encrypted app, a paid encrypted app, which now is under scanner. But remember, the agencies, whether it's with intelligence, be it the RAW, be it IB, be it investigating agencies, NI, they're looking for vital clues. And this is where they've been scanning through numerous phone calls. And remember, even scanning through all those 1,200 people who are present. This is where surveillance has been mounted. But this is one of the modus operandi which has come forward. But yes, Farooq Ahmed Dar is a new name as far as this entire conspiracy is concerned. Now, the NIA is being very tight-lipped because they say the pixelated visuals, remember, they're going through the forensic, and the first identification which came through Jammu Kashmir police talks about Hashim Musa, Abu Talha, but they're also saying it's also the role of Suleiman. So these are details, but remember, once the investigation is complete, even investigating case like Pulwama had taken years. So this is where they believe they're at just the nascent point. The investigation has pointed out at several things. One is the conspiracy itself. The way they came in, they did not do indiscriminate fire. They utilized their firing extremely well. Whether it's a long-range shot, whether it's a pinpointed killing. They said, 2 men came in from the zip line. They knew that people are going to run towards the other side. That is why there were gunmen at the entry-exit points. That's where once the people ran over there, they shot them mercilessly. So this is where a lot of planning has gone into it. They also believe the modus operandi suggests that these were terror modules operating mostly out of Jammu division. But eventually, after a call from Pakistan ISI and directives from there, they seem to have shifted their base to South Kashmir. And now what our sources indicate to us is multiple operations going on in South Kashmir, mostly in Anantnag, Ethiopia, Kulgam, and the other areas where the hills are being scouted. But yes, 40 cartridges pinpoint that there was use of M4 carbine, there was use of AK-47 assault rifle. These are the modus operandi of terrorists, but they're looking at overground workers and the role they could have had, the local logistical support that these terrorists are getting. The other thing that NIA has exclusively told to us is they chose Pahalgam. One of the reasons is because it was a hot tourist season. There were escape route which was visible. And third was to divide India on communal lines. That is something that they wanted a communal flare-up, is something the investigating agencies are now pointing out, and they have been looking and scouting for clues throughout. But clearly, speaking to several of the eyewitnesses, the vendors, ponywalas, all of them, nothing at this point of has been ruled out. Muzammil, the man who's been in question, seems to be a man of keen interest. But at this point of time, they suggest his role hasn't come up. But they will do sustained interrogation to make sure that there is no past connection, there's no antecedent, and this man is clean. But right now, he continues to be detained.
All right, Kamal, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Getting us that detailed report from Pahalgam is my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu. Well, after Pahalgam terror attack, hunt is on for terrorists. It's only intensified